Then the Who's young and old would sit down for a feast, and they'd feast, and they'd feast, and they'd feast, 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 feast. Oh, off-screen narrator.
Yes.
I'm hungry. Feed me.
Excuse me, who are you talking to?
Snack time. Me hungry.
Okay. I'm about to make some Sourpatch grapes. Is that okay with you? Well, is it okay?
Perfect. Don't skimp on the motor oil.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Sourpatch Grinch grapes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are lime jello, water, and also green grapes. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is get a toothpick and we're going to put it through our grape. Then we're going to put it in water. And then you just want to roll it around into the jello. Your grapes should be covered in your jello, and all we're going to do is set it in a Tupperware bowl and remove the toothpick. And we're going to repeat the process over. After you have your grapes all covered in the jello, you want to place them in your freezer for 4 hours. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Sourpatch Grinch grapes. So I'm going to go ahead and bite into one so I can show you guys what the inside look like. And they're really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.